Do you ever feel like your paycheck disappears before the month ends? You're not alone. Millions feel stuck in this cycle, living paycheck to paycheck, one emergency away from crisis. The real problem isn't just income or luck, it's hidden in daily money habits. In this video, we'll reveal 10 habits that keep you broke and how to break free. Let's dive in. The biggest trap? Living above your means. Social pressure pushes us to spend on things we can't afford, just to keep up appearances. This leads to debt, credit cards, loans and payments that steal from your future. To break free, track every loo you spend for a month. Create a simple budget and tell your money where to go. Stop buying to impress others, nobody cares as much as you think. Delay gratification. The real flex is financial freedom. Start living intentionally, not impulsively. Not having an emergency fund is a recipe for disaster. Life throws curveballs, car repairs, medical bills, and without savings you fall into debt. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Start small. Save 250 or 500 lei, even if it's just 25 lei a week. Automate your savings and build the habit. Once you hit your first goal, aim higher. Just start. Any amount is better than nothing. Only paying the minimum on debts keeps you trapped for years. Credit card companies profit from your slow progress. Paying just the minimum means you'll pay far more in interest than you borrowed. Get aggressive. Use the debt snowball or avalanche method. Focus on one debt at a time, pay extra, and roll payments forward. Pick a strategy and stick to it. Make your money work for you, not the banks. Impulse buying silently destroys budgets. Small, emotional purchases add up fast and derail your goals. Marketers exploit your emotions with flash sales and urgency. Use the 48-hour rule. Wait before buying anything non-essential. Write it down, revisit after 2 days, most urges fade. This pause turns emotional spending into thoughtful choices. Lack of financial education is the root of most money problems. We're taught everything in school, except how to manage money. This leaves you vulnerable to bad decisions and missed opportunities. Take charge, read one personal finance book a month, watch educational videos, listen to podcasts, and learn daily. You don't need a finance degree, just curiosity and consistency. Investing in your knowledge pays the best dividends. Lifestyle creep happens when your spending rises with your income. You get a raise, then upgrade your life, but end up just as broke. The key? Plan for new income before you get it. Save and invest at least half of every raise. Enjoy the rest, but let most of your new money build your future. Reward yourself wisely, don't just upgrade your cage. Saving alone won't build wealth. Investing is essential. Inflation erodes your savings every year. Even small investments in index funds or ETFs can outpace inflation. You don't need a lot to start, just consistency. Use modern apps to invest as little as 50 lei. Start now and let compound growth work for you. Don't let fear or confusion hold you back. Relying on one income source is risky. If you lose your job, you lose everything. True security comes from multiple income streams. Start a side hustle, freelance, or rent out a room. Build passive income, digital products, investments, or content. Diversify so losing one stream isn't a disaster. Make your financial foundation resilient. Not tracking your net worth means flying blind. Income isn't everything. Debts and assets matter more. Net worth equals assets minus liabilities. Track it monthly with a spreadsheet or app. Don't worry if it's negative. Focus on progress. What gets measured gets managed. Watch your net worth trend upward as you make better choices. Comparing yourself to others sabotages your progress. Social media shows only the highlights, not the debts or struggles. Competing with illusions leads to bad decisions and stress. Focus on your own journey and celebrate your wins. Unfollow accounts that make you feel inadequate. Financial success is about your goals, not someone else's life. These 10 habits silently keep you poor, but you can change them. Don't try to fix everything at once. Start with one habit this week. Track your expenses, set up an emergency fund, or use the 48-hour rule. Small, consistent steps build real wealth. This is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. Join our community and share which habit you'll tackle first. Remember, money doesn't make you free. Knowing how to use it does.